we are. We're at the Kyuramen, and then they have a ice cream, but it's a long line here. So I guess we have to check it out next time. But we're gonna try out the ramen today, and let's go in and check it out. So we will order appetizer as a fried oyster and the fried squid, the pork takongsu, the omelette rice combo, pie with curry sauce. We're gonna order the kaishu takongsu ramen with black garlic. So this is the taste. Kyuramen. This one is the ice water, one is the tea. This is a number 2. It's a black garlic takongsu ramen. It's come with half-boiled egg, bamboo shoot, coin, some seaweed, and 2 slices of pork. But somehow, like, interesting that we order appetizer. The appetizer is not here first, and start with the ramen. So it's kind of like okay. Pork is like 2 thin slices right here, and the broth is like feels like very rich. But again, I'm expecting to have appetizer come in first before the main course. But the soup is very rich, definitely. Oh, the broth is definitely very strong, creamy, a little bit sweet flavor. Loving it. Not too salty compared to real Japanese ramen. And they give you a lot like seaweed, the green stuff. It's the first time I see they give this type of seaweed, but that seaweed is a little bit salty and give you a lot of ramen and corn. Oh, the ramen is good. It's definitely like al dente. It's not super soft. And then they give you also a 2 pieces of the regular traditional seaweed as well. I feel like the $16 is worth it. But consider like they give you corn, half-boiled egg, 2 slices of pork. The soup is very rich, creamy flavor. It's definitely good. I love the char siu. It's like just like melting in your mouth. It's awesome good. This is traditional seaweed that's gonna taste a bit salty. Okay, I think this is a good deal because for $16 or but the downside is I don't see much black garlic oil. The half boil is good to have the traditional soy sauce flavor on it, not just like plain regular half-boiled egg. Fried oyster, we ordered it as an appetizer. It's come with a piece of pie, and let's try it out. And come with some sauce here. Looks huge. Looks fresh. And then this is the and this is the squid as well. And I like this squid because it's on the neck part, not the upper part. I love this, and then we'll just try it out. Oh. So let's try out the sauce. It's a salad dressing sauce, like Thousand Island, those kind of thing, and then it has some like pepper on it. Alright, thank you. Here we go. It's like this size of the oysters, like the size is good amount. The oyster is very good. It's very soft. Doesn't feel like fish, like the oil, like fishy taste. Is very fresh too. And the batter is not that thick. If you look at it here, it's a big oyster, and the batter is like crispy. This is a good stuff. And nice and hot too. And then this is the octopus. Oh, I love this. Not chewy, not crunchy. It's definitely the style. Oh, I love this. Like, it doesn't feel rubbery at all. I love this. Well, even though it's a little bit expensive, but I feel like it's good for the appetizer. I would highly recommend to try it out. But again, I think they should come in the appetizer first before followed by the main course. Order the omelette rice that we ordered. It comes with a drink. It's one of each. So one of them is Thai tea, and one of them is lemonade. So it comes with the menu. So I just pick one of each and try it out. Oh, the lemonade, somehow they put like they have cucumber here too. And also some herbs maybe. I think just cucumbers, all cucumber. Actually the lemonade is very different. Not just a lemon with a. It's very unique. I cannot describe the taste. It definitely has some more than lemonade. It's very awesome good. I would highly recommend it if you see it. Come with it, just order the lemonade. And then this is a Thai iced tea, and I just mix it. It's a traditional Thai iced tea, not so sweet. Like both of them is not like super sweet than I thought, which I like, but I would definitely recommend the lemonade. It's definitely have extra flavor on it and cucumber and stuff. So this is the omelette rice with like a takongsu put on it. So this is the pepper sauce on it, deli thing. The fried rice on the bottom and scrambled egg on top, and this come with it. So let me try the sauce. Well, the black pepper sauce is good. It's not like very strong pepper spicy, so it's awesome good. I thought it's gonna be very spicy, but it's not. Like come with a little bit of sweetness on it and spicy taste. It's awesome good. So I ordered the curry sauce. It's very strong. It's very strong like curry smells. The scramble itself is super soft, super sealed. Look at this. Oh my goodness. And inside it's like, at the bottom it's like wrapped with fried rice. So awesome good. Looks like the fried rice has corn, onion, some meat on it. And the fried rice also has mushroom too. Oh. I would highly recommend to try it out. It's definitely good. So I thought the fried rice would be plain rice without any meat. So they come with pork on it. It tastes very flavory too. A lot of flavor on it. With the curry sauce, it's a big plus. Oh, it's definitely recommend to come here and try it out. Like both like ramen, appetizers. There's a lot of stuff here too. There's a long line outside for the ice cream. And the curry sauce is not that salty. It's soft. The curry sauce feels spicy. The deli one doesn't feel spicy, but that one is better. I prefer that one if you always get into the curry sauce because that's something new to try it out. So I thought the flavor is very plain, but it's definitely gives you the char siu, like the ramen char siu meat is plus. Especially if it's a large sauce, it's a big plus too. The egg doesn't feel overcooked, it's a bit, it feels like so silk the way they make it. So this is the katsu that comes with the omelette rice. So I feel like the katsu is a little bit thin slices. Very crispy. Doesn't feel dry, but I feel like it's a little bit thin. But overall it feels good though. It's definitely good. So we ordered mocha pudding. pudding with red bean and Japanese cherry blossom jelly as a dessert as well. So this is the mocha pudding with little, I think it's the milk. And then this is the jelly, the cherry blossom jelly with little syrups. It looks so pretty. And then meat has a little milk here, and then we'll pour down. Oh, it covers all the mocha right here. So let's try that. So I'm gonna try the mocha with red beans, jelly, the pudding. It looks very solid to me, a little bouncy. Oh, very like doesn't feel like jello. It's like a powdery stuff pudding. It's very chewy, not chewy as well. It's very strong mocha with the milk. I feel like you're drinking like mocha latte, but in a pudding style. This one is good. This one is good. Now with this jelly, the cherry blossom. Oh, this looks so good. Let me try the juice. Oh, I feel like medication when I was little, taking all those medicines, but it's good. Still. So this is jello, so a little bit more like a jelly style texture. The jelly doesn't have much taste on it, so it's all relying on the juice and there's the little ball. And the ball has some taste too, like the pudding taste. So for out of two, this is not like pretty awesome with the presentation wise, but I would prefer this one. This tastes much better and strong mocha too. Complimentary, they give you a mask of the restaurant and some wet towel, and this is the receipt. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.